Well, happy 4th of July if you happen to be an American, and we're going to do a little bit of the hidden occult. We're going to do a little bit of the occult on this day, which is the 4th of July. Now, the 4th of July wouldn't be the 4th of July if it didn't happen in 1776, which was the birth of the United States of America. Now, as I said in the past, your numbers can be associated to geometric shapes as they can be associated to letters, all right? So when you have that in mind, you can probably figure something out, okay? Because it's sort of like a buffet of mix and match, and if you get the combination right, you can actually, it's like detective work. So 4th of July, 1776. What is 1776? It's a total alphanumerical value of the Hebrew alphabet when Aleph equals 1. Now, this is no coincidence, but it happened in 1776, and there's a reason for it happening in 1776. It had to be associated to this number. Now, if you take the fort, which can be associated to the four sides of a square, all right? July can be associated to the number 7, as we sometimes write the date represented by the month with a number, which would be 7, and it could be associated to the letter of the alphabet, which would be G. But we're not going to complete the puzzle yet. But 1776 equals 21. If you add all this together, and it's also the number of God hidden inside 77 plus 6 plus 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7, so you have your 3 sevens of whatever. But anyways, 21. Now 21 is you. So oddly enough, the name of the country that was created on the 4th of July, 1776, okay, is the United States of America. So, okay. Now, when we reduce it again, you take 21, and 21 is also associated to destruction. So the American independence was fought, all right? So it kind of makes sense that there were, let's say, some fighting involved here. So that's how I guess maybe that event sort of happened. It sort of had to represent some nonsense of destruction. So oddly enough, coincidence, which I would like to say maybe it's a duality, but let's not go too far. And 3, which is associated to the triangle. Oddly enough, they love pyramids. There's a pyramid in the back of the dollar bill, and you'll see that a little later. So what can we associate the 4 sides with? Well, we can associate the 4 sides with the cult that George Washington was part of. G here, George Washington. Now, it has 4 sides, and usually there's a G in the middle. Well, look at that, 4G. Where did we see this? 4G. There you go. So hidden in the birthday of the United States of America, we can construct a symbol. There you go. And this symbol is associated to a saying. The land, well, the United States is, it's called the land of the free. Now, why do I have a problem with this one here? Well, because land of the free is comprised of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 letters, also associated to the 13 colonies, if I'm not mistaken. But anyways, but what is 13? Well, 13 can also be equal to M. That's right. The 13th letter of the alphabet is M. And oddly enough, if you can say land of the free, but if you want to push it a little bit more, land of the free, M, what would be following M? Maybe Mason. He was a Freemason, so it's the land of the Freemason, all right? And the 2 E's in the back, and if you've seen this before, is a symbol. And a symbol can be used in different ways, and it can mean different things depending on how you put the same symbol. So W, M, E, and 3. all right? Those are mirror images, all right? But if you look at it according to the way you learn your alphabet, you would see the same symbol in different meanings. So land of the free, oddly enough, 33, which is very much associated to these guys, and Mason. Now, people may think, oh, okay, you're just pushing a little bit with this. Well, I'd like to bring you to your dollar bill, where if we sprinkle a little magic, and you've seen this before, that the triangle and the triangle equals 33, and 33 is the alphabet numerical total of the word magic. And if we look at this carefully, we can see the word Mason being drawn out behind your dollar bill. So, maybe crazy, or maybe I understand duality. So that's your 4th of July. So happy 4th of July, and have a nice celebration, but try to understand what you're celebrating. Have a good day.